Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Many artists know how to crinkle a piece of rice paper to start their landscape painting, but not all of them are successful. So in my next two workshops in September and October, I'm going to focus on the use of the crinkle paper technique to work on trees in September and mountains in October. For the September workshop, we'll focus on the use of crinkling to create trees, and we'll focus on the painting of trunks and tree branches, and also how to work on the edges of trees to create trees and forests that is convincing. For demo, we will use this reference photo of a really beautiful foliage, and then we will create an artwork look like this. All these foliage are created effortlessly with crinkling. In our September workshop, we will work on the creation of mountain by using a different kind of rice paper, better control of moisture, and also our focus on the use of shading and also negative painting to depict trees on snow on tree trunks and things like that. So we will also work on the use of opaque white and mineral green to create unique landscape that look like this. So I hope to see you in our crinkling workshop for October and September. Thank you. Bye-bye.